Rolling ribbon roses. Knead your flour paste until smooth and pliable, and roll small balls of paste to work with. Spread a very thin layer of white vegetable fat inside 2 sheets of acetate to stop the paste from sticking. A little vegetable fat on your fingertip will help your finger glide over easily. Roll a small sausage in the palm of your hand and place within 2 sheets of acetate. Using your thumb, press down to flatten and smooth a little to create a ribbon shape. Work on the top edge to make the ribbon paper thin. This will be your petal edge. Now pick up the ribbon, tuck in one edge, and then roll the ribbon, keeping the finer petal edge level until you reach the end. To finish, roll, pinch and twist the base between your fingers so that it comes together, and then remove the excess. Arranging 3 roses together will look really pretty on a buttercream covered cupcake.